Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ushabala. So today I gonna show you this hairstyle. This is Navratri 5th day special hairstyle. So let's get started into the video. So first of all, comb your hair thoroughly that there are no tangles. Use wide bristle comb like this one. It will help less hair fall. After detangling my hair, I apply this serum. This is from Matrix Smooth and Serum. Take a side partition like so and small section of hair like that and twist that part, and again add some more hair and again twist that, and add again some more hair and twist it again. So this process continues until reach your nape of your neck. Okay, now grab a tic tac pin and secure that the part like so. Now coming to another side, take a top section like so. And twist that part. Now take a tic tac pin and secure with the help of tic tac pin. Okay, now take all our length of hair into one side like so and divide it into 4 equal parts. Okay, these are the 4 equal parts. First part, second part and third part, fourth part. Now we will work with first and third part. So remaining second and fourth part leave aside. Okay, now grab the third part and divide it into 3 equal parts and make a normal reverse 3 strand braid like so. The reverse 3 strand braid was make 3 equal parts of your hair and goes left and right strands under to the middle strand. That is the reverse 3 strand braid. Now secure that the part. Now take the first section and make a reverse 3 strand braid. and also secure that the part also, and take all our hair into normal position. So first and third strands was already braided. Okay, now we will make 4 strand braid. So 4 strand braid was, first strand goes over to the second strand and under to the third strand and over to the fourth strand. Now again, first strand goes over under to the third strand and over to the fourth strand. Again do the same procedure until reach your hair end. Okay, now take all strands into one hand and pull out the strands with another hand like so, and pull out the non-braided strands. Okay, now secure the braid with an elastic. So this is my today's hairstyle. So I hope you are all enjoying to watch today's video. Please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye, I love you, take care. This is my Navratri 5th day outfit. If you want this dress full details, I will give a link in the description bar below, and check my iPads also. I recently uploaded this dress video, so check it now.